Good morning, guys. It's a good day to dip a car. Let's go ahead and get started. So I was up late last night masking the car, getting it all ready for today. I was supposed to be awake like an hour and a half earlier, but I'm so tired. But I'm up. I'm still up early. Yep, I gotta get this car at least started because today is gonna be pretty hot today, and I gotta get it started before it gets too hot. I don't want like the plastic dip to dry before it even lands on the surface here, and then I don't want to have to like start all over again. But yep, I am up bright and early. Gonna get the car started right now. So I just gotta set up a table real quick over here at the corner over there, and then I'll start getting the color on. All right, got the wheel covers on. Car is fully cleaned. And these are the products that I will be using today. I got my black as a base, the pearl coat that I will be mixing the pearls in. If you guys guessed in my previous video, I wonder if you guys got it right. But I will probably be doing, I'm not sure, maybe like a low pigment load, maybe 3, but I don't know, maybe I'll do 4, we'll see. And then the ultra high gloss from Dipyourcar right here. So I have 2 kits, but one was just like the one that I was just practicing with. And then the buckets that come with the kit as well. So yeah, hopefully I will be able to achieve this color right here. I don't know, what do you guys think? I like this color right here. I didn't like, I guess, really pay attention to how many pearls and how much candy I added into that one. And yep, again, oh yeah, and I am going to be adding candy as well. So yep, but I will add this candy inside of the ultra high gloss right here. Yep, that's all the product that I will be using. So let's go ahead, get started. Finished laying the color coat onto the car here. Let me know what you guys think. I got this mask line on my face, but it's all good. But yeah, got the color on the car right now. Just gotta wait for it to dry before I put the high gloss on. So I got about a 2-hour wait time before I can start doing the high gloss. So I will just go inside, be with the family, eat breakfast. I think right now is like 1 p.m. But yeah, eat my first meal of the day. Just wait for about 2 hours for this to dry, and then I'll be coming back and doing the high gloss coat. So it'll be 2 hours for me, but it'll be like 2 seconds for you guys. All right, so it's been about 2.5 hours, and the car has gotten a chance to fully dry here. color is looking pretty good right now. So I think the clear and the candy concentrate on top of this should have a pretty good outcome. I might go heavy on the candy, so we'll see if that changes how the color looks like. So let's go ahead and mix up this ultra high gloss right now. Spray that on the car right now too, okay? Let's go. This garage is now called the kitchen because I just cooked. All right, guys, so I'm all done with the project. The car is right here and it looks amazing. I am going to pull the car outside so you guys can get a better look of it in the sun. But if you guys have not yet, give this video a like and comment below what you guys think about the new color on the car. So let's go ahead, head outside right now. All right, guys, so here is the car right here. I got it posted up at a warehouse right here. And let me know what you guys think about the car and about the color. I really, really love the color. It's like, I don't know, it's hard to capture on camera, like all the candy, because I don't know if the camera can just pick it up or not, but it looks amazing in person. Let me know what you guys think about the car and the new color of the car.